Hi, so this week in Tech and Society, we're talking about manufacturing and production. So the first thing we're supposed to do is to choose two manufacturing strategies and describe their strengths and weaknesses. So one of them I picked was lean manufacturing, which is a removal of obstacles or waste in manufacturing to maximize efficiency. So the strengths I came up with were positive workforce effects. It could make workers feel more involved and satisfied with what they're doing, and it can save money for the companies through increased productivity, less raw material supplies, and fewer labor hours. The weaknesses, I said, trying to constantly make improvements to how you produce things can backfire or not even help at all, and that can affect morale. And then my second manufacturing strategy I decided to look more into was the just-in-time strategy, or the acronym JIT, which is on-time production by minimizing idle equipment, workers, and materials. So my strengths, I said, low inventory levels means that inventory holding costs are limited, and also less inventory can be damaged if something were to go wrong. They wouldn't be out that much money. They didn't lose that many things, that many of what they produced. But the weaknesses, I said, if a supplier does not deliver goods to a company on time, it could impact production because they need to make up for what they missed, and the company may not be able to meet the requirements of a massive unexpected order because they don't have that much in their inventory, so maybe they won't be able to produce that much. And then we were asked to watch the TED Talk and describe how will automation continue to impact the manufacturing industry as well as your future career. I actually have an article I'm about to talk about from the Wall Street Journal that shows that the manufacturing industry is growing in jobs. So I don't know. With how technology is growing, you can never really say how much more it'll have in the process. But I don't know. And on my future career, I'm gonna be a teacher, and personally, I think I can't see like a robot or artificial intelligence something teaching humans. Like, I don't know. I feel like you need a human to do that, to relate to them and understand what they're feeling. But you never know with how technology is improving. And then but I personally don't think I don't think I need to worry about them taking over my future job. And then we were asked to describe the articles we found from the Wall Street Journal. The first article, like I said earlier, was entitled "More Americans Are Back at Work Making Stuff," posted on March 1st. Apparently, U.S. jobs are growing. The U.S. manufacturing has grown for 18 straight months, longest stretch since the mid-90s. And they've recorded 274,000 non-managerial manufacturing jobs in the last 18 months. My second article was "The Hidden Costs of Stressed Out Workers," posted on February 28th. The CDC in 2016 reported that stress is a leading workplace health problem, and they've been trying to figure out ways to make that not the main health problem and improve. And decades of research have shown that workers who have more control over their jobs and are subject to less micromanagement are more motivated and engaged with their work. So what they're basically saying is, if workers can design their work week, how many hours they work, what goes on at work, then they'll be less stressed out and more happy and willing to do more. And that's it for this week. See you guys.